Most people never hear their names. Yet some officers quietly become the backbone of India's security system. From tackling organized crime in Delhi to handling policing responsibilities in sensitive border regions, their careers unfold far away from public attention but close to the nation's most critical challenges. And now, one such officer has been chosen to lead policing in one of India's most strategically important island territories. Hello, I'm Bhakti Kothari and you're watching Indian Masterminds. Today we bring you the story of IPS officer Ravinder Singh Yadav, the veteran police officer now appointed as the Director General of Police of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Ministry of Home Affairs recently appointed Ravinder Singh Yadav as the new DGP of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. He replaces senior IPS officer Hargobinder Singh Dhaliwal, who has now been transferred to Delhi for a new assignment. The appointment comes amid a wider reshuffle within the AGMAT cadre, one of India's most strategically important administrative cadres. But who exactly is Ravinder Singh Yadav? Born on March 25, 1968, Ravinder Singh Yadav belongs to Rajasthan and entered the Indian Police Service through the UPSC Civil Services Examination. He is a 1995 batch IPS officer of the AGMAT cadre, which serves Arunachal Pradesh, Goa, Mizoram and several union territories. Academically, he holds a Bachelor's of Arts degree along with postgraduate qualifications. But it is his long policing career that truly defines his journey. Over the last 3 decades, Yadav has built a reputation as a tough, strategic and highly experienced police officer. He has handled assignments ranging from crime investigation and operations to intelligence coordination and law and order management. One of his most important roles came in February 2022 when he was appointed Special Commissioner of Police Crime in Delhi Police. In that role, he headed the crime branch, supervising major criminal investigations, anti-gang operations and intelligence-based policing initiatives across the national capital. Before that, he also served as Joint Commissioner of Police in Delhi Police, handling both operations and crime divisions. His career has not been limited to Delhi alone. Yadav also worked as Additional Director General of Police in Arunachal Pradesh, a strategically sensitive border state where policing demands both operational sharpness and administrative balance. These assignments helped establish his reputation as an officer capable of handling complex security environments. In December 2025, Ravinder Singh Yadav was promoted to the rank of Director General of Police, one of the highest positions in the Indian Police Service. And now comes perhaps one of the most strategically significant postings of his career. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are not just a union territory. They occupy a crucial position in India's maritime security architecture in the Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean region. The islands play an important role in coastal security, surveillance, strategic defense, coordination, and regional law enforcement. As DGP, Yadav will now oversee policing and internal security across the sensitive island territory. Colleagues and officials often describe him as an officer known for tactical leadership, modern crime detection systems, technology-driven investigations, structural policing reforms, public-focused law enforcement. His postings across Delhi, Arunachal Pradesh and now Andaman and Nicobar Islands reflect both versatility and administrative trust. And at a time when maritime security is becoming increasingly important for India, his experience is expected to play a key role in strengthening policing coordination across the islands. In India's policing system, some officers spend their careers behind headlines, but their decisions shape security, governance and public safety in ways most people never see. Ravinder Singh Yadav's journey is one such story of experience, discipline and steady leadership inside the Indian Police Service. If you enjoyed watching this video, do like, share and subscribe to Indian Masterminds for more inspiring stories from India's civil services and administrative leadership. I am Bhakti Kothari. Thank you for watching.